this is Bosslady Shruti, and today in the Diwali series I wanted to show you all the little itsy bitsy makeup items that I bought for myself this Diwali. There are a lot of pros of having a nice, hot, attractive Firang boyfriend slash husband, but the one thing is that he doesn't get desi festivals, and so that is why I honestly cannot expect any Diwali gifts from him, so I just go to Sephora and get my gifts myself. Haha. So yes, today I'm just going to be showing you all the stuff that I recently got from Sephora. So if you want to know what all I got, please keep watching. This is, for a Sephora bag, this is pretty massive. I don't know about you guys, but usually my auqad is not to go to Sephora and get like more than 1 or 2 items, but Mama got like quite a few this time, so I was feeling fancy. So yes, let's jump right in. First up is this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. This is what it looks like. I actually have used it underneath my eyes today. I have the shade Banana Bread with me. Honestly, when I went to Sephora, I thought that I would actually like trying Kunafa because it looked a lot more yellow and like denser yellow, but unfortunately Kunafa was not in stock, at least at the Sephora that I went, and this really reminded me of my Benai banana powder, which you all know I kind of, at this point, that is my ride or die. So that is why I felt like going in with Banana Bread would be a safe option. Also because these things are not exactly cheap, so I wanted to go in for a safe option. I have to say that my under eyes look super smooth and awake, and I didn't really even have to bake as such underneath my eyes. I just kind of set my under eyes with it right now, and I have to say that it's pretty brightening, and so far so good. So I cannot wait to use it in my future tutorials. Of course, if I am at the Huda Beauty counter, I have to get their Samantha Lashes, and of course I am wearing them right now on my eyes, and these ones are honestly my favorite. This is my second pair of Samantha Lashes that I'm using, and the first pair, I think I even used it once for one of my wedding functions, and it lasted me quite a long time, and I really like the way that it sits on my eyes, and it's also very easy to apply. So that is why I love these Huda Beauty Samantha Lashes, and it's my second purchase, so yeah, obviously I love it. Next up is actually a brand that I don't own anything from. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is what it looks like. I've seen so much hype about this toner all over social media. So this has glycolic acid. That is why I guess it kind of works so well. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of exfoliating toners. So I saw this actually at the checkout counter at Sephora, and you know how those checkout counters are. They like always suck you in. And this in Dubai was 100 dirhams, but it's obviously more than what you would otherwise pay because everything in Dubai is just expensive. But compared to how much other things cost, I felt like this was definitely worth giving it a try. I shall use it and let you guys know how I like it. Next up is something that I have been so excited to get, like, oh my god. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Uncuffed Stunner Lip Paint. This is kind of that mauvey pinky tone that looks good on everyone. Oh my god, I am in love with this shade. I feel it is so universal. It's that mauvey pink that looks good on almost all skin tones, and it's a very nice day color to wear. Also, I feel it is fall appropriate yet not too dark and vampy. I was actually confused between this and the other darker brown tone that they have, but I felt like I would get a lot more use out of this one compared to the brown one. So that is why I went in with this. I've not even opened mine now. So this is the first time I'm opening mine in front of you guys. Ooh, yes. So that is a swatch for you guys. This is such a beautiful everyday nudie pinky sort of a tone that I think I'm going to love. And yeah, actually ever since I saw this on social media, I was just like, I need this in my life, and I'm so happy I got it. Next up is this bad boy right here. This is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and the reason why I wanted to get this is because when I went to Sephora, they said that their normal like eyebrow pencil was 120 dirhams and this was 170 dirhams, and here I'm honestly getting like 4 pencils for that price, and I felt like for Benefit that just made a lot more sense. So I felt like I was getting a lot more bang for my buck in this. What this is kind of that old school, you know, pens which used to have like 3-4 colors, which has a red and a blue and a black and a green. This is the same kind of logic but with an eyebrow pencil, which I thought was supremely cool. What it has is it has a darker shade, a lighter shade of eyebrow pencil, a concealer shade to clean up underneath your eyebrows, and a highlighter shade for you to kind of highlight underneath your brow bone. So I feel like your eyebrows are fully, completely and totally set. I have used it for my eyebrows today and I think I kind of love it. I feel like with this product you're pretty much set with the eyebrow department and you won't really need any other product, but I did have to set my eyebrows with a little bit of like brow gel because my eyebrows just need a lot of kind of TLC. But so far I think this has worked pretty well for me and I shall keep you guys posted on how I like it even further. Next up, I got a backup of my MAC Strobe Cream. This is what it looks like. Mine is in gold light. I also have used that on my face today. This I think is my second purchase of the MAC Strobe Cream. I really like using this, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but now I am taking like clients to do makeup and I love putting this on my clients before I do their makeup, especially when you know you're getting ready for a party or a wedding or something like that. It gives the skin the most beautiful radiant glow. So that's why mine gets over very, very quickly and I had to buy a backup, and it's just that the gold light one looks good on a variety of skin tones, so I prefer having the gold light in my kit. So yeah, that's why I got it. Next up, I got this MAC lip conditioner. This is what it looks like. This is basically like a lip balm for your lips. But the reason why I really like this is because when I actually used it in the store, my lips were cracking and chapping quite a bit. But after I used this, like within like 15 minutes, my lips felt so moisturized and nourished that I was like, I really need to have this in my life. And you guys know I don't really like very like flavored kind of lip balms, so this is also not really flavored or anything of that sort, so that is why I liked it and I picked it up. Next up, I want to quickly give a shout out to all the little samples that I got in Sephora. Of course, those are the things that we live for, the little pleasures in life, if I may say so myself. First up, I got this Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. This is the sample size version of it. So this is what it looks like. I have actually heard that this mascara is supposed to be like blowing people's minds and stuff like that. This is what the mascara wand looks like. Okay, doesn't have any funny smell or anything. Usually I like smelling mascaras because if they smell of like that lead smell, like I don't like it. So yeah, I'm a little weird like that. But yeah, I will test this out and I'll let you guys know if it is quickly going to become my favorite mascara, because to be honest, to be like real with you, nothing has really come close to my Maybelline Big Shot. So this has a tall claim to stand up to, even though that's drugstore. Next up is another mascara sample. This is the They Are Real Lashes by Benefit, and I actually have tried this before, so this is not a new kind of a mascara for me, and I do know that this mascara is pretty freaking fantastic for what it claims to do. It really lengthens, separates and volumizes your lashes, and who knows, I might just include this in a teeny tiny giveaway soon. So stay tuned. And last but not the least, I got a Kabrow little sample which looks like this. Honestly, I don't know if I appreciate this because this is just, I feel like this is a little tacky. Like at least the mascara feels like, okay, there is like, I've got a product with me. What is this? What is this? This is like, this itself is making a sad face right now. I mean, I understand it's a free gift and I'm not supposed to be nagging about it and stuff like that, but I'm just telling y'all my opinion, alright? Like, that's it. This is nice and all, but I would have liked it in like a small pot or like a little pencil or something like that. Not like basically a cardboard box is what I'm saying. You feel me? So yes, that is all the things that Mama spent her money on lately and has basically become Kangal. So yes, let me know in the comments down below what products you guys are most excited to see in this haul. I definitely am excited to try the Stunner Lip Paint and trying out more of the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, because I feel those two seem really promising. And yes, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and share this video with all your friends if you want to help your girl out, because you'll know, like, I like more subscribers because we can increase our community and become one big happy family. So yes, I guess that is all that I have for you guys today, and like I always say, until next time, keep it bossy.